It has only been a day since Apple released the iPhone 17 series, and we are already hearing new rumors about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. However, this update does not provide the kind of news that Samsung supporters had hoped for. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the S26 Ultra's 3x telephoto zoom camera may be a step backwards. Earlier reports stated that Samsung might switch to a new 12-megapixel sensor, which sounded like a good upgrade for zoom images. But here's the catch. The phone will purportedly reduce the 12 megapixels to just 10 megapixels. On paper, that doesn't sound too bad, given that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 3x camera also shoots at 10MP. But when you get into the specifics, it becomes a little troubling. The S25 Ultra featured a 1/3.53-inch sensor with 1.12 micron pixels. The new sensor for the S26 Ultra is stated to be 1/3.94 inch in size and has 1.0 micron pixels. Essentially, it is a somewhat smaller sensor with smaller pixels. If you're wondering why it matters, consider that pixel size has a direct impact on how much light is caught. Bigger pixels mean more light, which usually results in brighter, cleaner photographs with fewer noise. So, with fewer pixels, the S26 Ultra may suffer in low-light situations, particularly for 3x zoom images. However, it is not all doom and gloom. Samsung has some of the greatest image processing in the market, and they could easily compensate for the hardware downgrade with software and a better ISP, but from a spec standpoint, this feels more like a sideways step, if not a slight downgrade, when compared to the S25 Ultra. So what do you think? Will Samsung software magic be enough to save the day? Is this a negative indicator for the S26 Ultra's camera performance? So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.